Once the Dubb Chrome extension is installed, it will appear in the top right corner of your Chrome browser. Click the Dubb icon to open the Dubb Chrome extension. You'll see 4 options for recording: full screen, current tab, webcam, video upload. For the first 2 options, you'll have the option to include a webcam video to add a personal touch. The webcam preview is shut off by default. To turn on your webcam preview, click on the webcam icon. This will open a video preview in the bottom left corner of your screen. To record a video, click the red Record button in the center of the Chrome extension. If you have multiple monitors, you will be required to select the monitor that you wish to record. The buttons on the webcam preview will allow you to cancel, pause, resume, or finish a video. Once you upload your video, it will upload to the cloud, transcode into streaming format, and take you to your video page where you can add more details. In the bottom portion of the Dubb Chrome extension, you'll notice 3 tabs: one for your video library, one for activity reporting, and one for your settings.